guys, Simon here from Sydney and Regional Trains Vlogs. I'm currently at Thornleigh, requested by Edwin Trains Vlogs, Barton, Michael Grant, Nathan Ewan and Aaron Liu. Just departing platform 3 is a Tangara. It's a Hornsby service, stopping at Normanhurst then Hornsby. We have an Explorer passing platform 2, bound for Central. Its next stop will be Strathfield, then Central. That Oscar is bound for Gosford. Next stop for this service will be Hornsby, then Brower, Cowan, then all stations to Woy Woy, then all stations to Gosford. We have a Waratah approaching platform 2, Richmond service. Waratah at A25. Richmond via Macquarie Park service is now departing. Next stop for this service will be Pennant Hills. We have an Oscar passing platform 2, Central service. The set is H18. Next stop for the service will be Epping, then Eastwood, Strathfield, then Central. We have a Tangara passing platform 2. Front forecast T53. And the rear forecast are T97. We have a Waratah approaching platform 3, Hornsby service. Next stop for the service will be Normanhurst then Hornsby. Waratah at A31. Waratah at A31 is now departing platform 3 for a Hornsby service, stopping at Normanhurst then Hornsby. We have Tangara approaching platform 2, Central service. Front forecast are T126. Anyway guys, we'll wrap this vlog up. Make sure to like, subscribe, and request somewhere for a minute film. Thanks for watching and bye for now.